Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a e-commerce shopping cart website clone in React.js. So actually this is actually the full directory structure. Each and every component is coded inside the JSX file. It's fully customizable. You can add more features on top of this project as well. So the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. After purchasing it, you will get the zip file from Google Drive automatically. If I show you the technologies that we have used for building this, we have used the latest version of React. We have also used Tanstack React query, which is for handling the state of our application. So we have also used TailwindCSS as well. So we are running this project locally, as you will see. I started this project npm run dev. So if I show you the demo right here, it's running on localhost 5173. So it has authentication as well. As soon as you load the application, this is the home page. So here you can actually click on sign in, and this then you will basically see this form right here. You can create an account here, just fill out your information, and then you will be landing to the products page. So essentially what we have done, we have actually used this dummy JSON API where we are getting the products. So it's a free fake REST API for getting placeholder data. So it's a free and open source API. So here we are fetching these products and displaying it. So it's an e-commerce cart kind of a website, but you can integrate your own products as well. So basically we have this API folder where we are getting this product list.jsx file right here. So we are actually getting all these products, displaying it, and you can also create your own products as well. You can click on add item, just product title, description, price, and brand, select category, and here you just need to provide the URL of the product that you are selling and click on add new product, and your product will also get added. And now for the cart, it's very easy. As soon as you click the add to cart button, you will see on the left hand side the cart will be updated. You can see as soon as we are clicking the add to cart button. So now you can go to your cart and you will see this is the cart page. You can increase the quantity as well. As soon as you do this, the price will automatically update, and then you can integrate any sort of functionality, the checkout page, as soon as the user clicks. So this is essentially, it's coded in React.js. So it's a good starting point if you're basically building out the e-commerce shopping cart kind of a website in React.js. You can actually purchase this project. This will save you a lot of time because most of the common functionality I've written this from scratch. So you can easily create more. On top of this, it's very easy for you because it's also have authentication as well. So here the logout screen, edit profile, you can basically do this, and this is your cart here. So it's using this Tanstack query. This is a famous library in React.js to handle the state, such as the data. As we are clicking this button, the product is automatically, so it will stay as soon as you refresh it. Again, you basically can just log in, and after that you will see that. So you can remove, add to cart, you can see this add to wish list, add to cart. This is different products which are there. For this, we are using this Tanstack query library in React.js for building this shopping cart e-commerce website clone. So it's a mini clone. It's a good starting point. Here you can see that we have used Tailwind CSS, React, Tanstack query. So if you're interested, guys, in this project, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase this project. The full, if you click this button, the hard button, this will be wish list. You will see that. So all the basic functionalities I have constructed, and as soon as the product proceed to checkout, you can actually integrate any payment gateway such as PayPal, Paytm, any sort of payment gateways that you want to. But this is a very famous shopping cart e-commerce cart kind of a UI that I constructed in React.js. So it has all these features. You can add your own products as well. We are getting this from dummyjson.com to actually show these products in this way. So the user interface I have constructed. So if you are interested in this, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. All these components are, you can see, are pre-coded in JSX. It's very easy for you to customize this and add more features on top of this project. Each component has its own file. So definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description.